Hey guys, good morning. New sunny day in Phuket Old Town. So today it's a laid back day for us. It's around 9 a.m. right now, and finally we got some sleep. Last few days it was very rough few days. It was very hectic. We were just going all the time here and there and did not have proper sleep. But yeah, today finally I feel a bit more energized right now. So what we will do is now we will go and have our breakfast, and also today the plan is to go for Krabi. We will start towards Krabi. So from here in Phuket Bus Terminal 2, we have our bus scheduled at 2:15 p.m. We booked the bus from 12 Go Asia, and yeah, so I'll catch you while being on the road.
First things first, we kicked off the day with an amazing breakfast at the hotel restaurant. We made sure to have a heavy breakfast since we knew we would be on the road for a while. After breakfast, we took shower and quickly checked out of the hotel and rushed over to the Phuket Bus Terminal 2.
We are now at Phuket Bus Terminal 2. We are going to wait here for half an hour more. The bus is already at station number 17, and we just now exchanged the physical ticket. We got the physical ticket in exchange for the ticket that we got from 12 Go Asia. There are actually 3 different ways that you can reach to Krabi. One is you can have your own private car taking you to Krabi. Otherwise, you can have this bus, or else you can have a speedboat experience. In Thailand, already we experienced the speedboat while we opted for the James Bond Island trip, and also tomorrow we are going to use speedboat for the Phi Phi Island trip from Krabi. And also one more thing is, when we return back from Krabi, we already have our pre-booked private car. So that experience is also we have covered. Also in this particular bus stop, right, bus terminal, I can see a lot of stores from where you can actually pick up your if there is any food or drinks that you need to pick up, you can actually do it. Yeah, now we will just in the next 15 minutes we will just get into the bus, and yeah, we'll be there on our way to Krabi. Let's go.
The tickets to Krabi were just 320 baht each, and we could not wait to get started on the adventure.
Hey guys, it's around 5:30 now, and after 3 hours of 15 minutes of very comfortable bus journey, we have now reached Krabi bus terminal. And yeah, it's been a fun ride. I have seen the whole road changing. When you were in the Phuket, right, it was more of a city view, but the moment you just started going towards the outskirts of Phuket, you will start to realize that some cliffs and all were starting to visible, and the road was pretty smooth and pretty good. But after reaching Krabi, one thing that we realized is Grab, only the taxi provider that works here is Grab. Bolt does not work here. As you might remember that in the first video I have mentioned that Bolt is cheaper, but yeah, seems like we are in for a ride with only Grab. So yeah, my wife is now currently looking for a Grab. Our hotel is around 20 to 30 minutes from here. So yeah, we'll start towards our hotel. This is me from Krabi. I'm just standing over the balcony of my hotel right now. Today actually I woke up before sun, so I actually have seen the way sun was coming out over the cliffs, because the cliffs are so strategically located. It's unique and it's beautiful to see Krabi. Yeah, it's been a calm, composed and serene morning, and today the idea is that we will be visiting Phi Phi Island. When we were creating the itinerary, right, that this was the day we were most anticipating, because we have seen how beautifully Maya Bay was looking in the movie of Leonardo DiCaprio, the beach movie. Yeah, and finally today is the day where we are going to experience that firsthand. Yep, that's it basically from the plan wise. Right now we are going to go and have our breakfast. We are mostly ready. It's just that we have to go and have the breakfast and then wear our clothes on, and then we are good to go. because last time while we were on the road to James Bond Island, the van was supposed to come at 8:30 a.m. and we were late. Today we just don't want to take any risk. Even if the van comes at 8 a.m, we should be ready and prepared by 7:50. That's our target.
Sudorosos acá, la pista está hirviendo, pero te destaca mamá, brillando como una estrella, mira qué bonita está, escucha el coro mamita que te voy a dar. Sandunguera, sandunguera, guarachera, vamos a bailar, vamos a bailar.
Hello, so we are at the Maya Bay, walking towards the main point of attraction. Yeah, it's around 2 minutes walk from the dock where our pier where our boat is standing. They are not allowed to come inside the island, but yeah, let us go and explore the main point. What you are seeing at my back is known as the Maya Bay. I don't know how to explain this in words, but what I know for sure, this is full of Maya. This is a miracle. If you see it properly, if you look at it, there are cliffs, there are blue water, there is this small gap from where all the launches and boats are coming. This is full of miracle. I don't know how this place was built. I don't know how nature has made this possible for us. This is completely breathtaking. I am full of awe right now. I just want to embrace this moment as best as I can. So if you are here in Thailand, make sure not to miss it, because this, if you are missing it, my friend, your trip to Thailand is not complete.
After soaking in the beauty of Maya Bay, we ventured to the iconic Pileh Lagoon, and it was nothing short of magical. The lagoon's mesmerizing green waters were just like something out of fantasy. It just felt like stepping into a postcard. Then we headed to Tonsai Beach for a delicious lunch. After lunch, we started for Bamboo Island, where we were supposed to spend couple of hours absolutely doing nothing.
Hey guys, we are at the last spot for today. We are at Bamboo Island. So this place, I am seeing a lot of bamboo forest and bamboo trees, and which made a bamboo forest out of it. So probably that is why the name is Bamboo Forest. So basically, after having the lunch at Phi Phi and then going to another snorkeling spot, we are here to relax for the next half an hour or so. Just one caution tips that I want to give you guys, that we actually didn't do snorkeling over here. but the people who actually did, right, there were jellyfishes and baby sharks which stung a lot of them. So it's not a very pleasant experience. So if you guys are coming to Phi Phi Island and thinking about doing snorkeling, just keep this thing in mind so that you can prepare yourself beforehand. Now the idea is to spend some time over here, relax, chill, and then move around to hotel.
Around 4:30 p.m. we finally returned to hotel, but we were completely exhausted from the day's adventure. It was the perfect moment for us to indulge in a soothing spa treatment to revitalize and refresh ourselves. With this, we are going to end this video, and in the next video, you will see us traveling to the next milestone of our adventurous Thailand trip, Pattaya. There will be a lot to cover in the next video, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon.